help me welcome Sir Miko Imson.
Magandang gabi, umaga, hapon sa inyong lahat, sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon. Kamusta kayo? Paki-shoutout naman dyan kung nasan kayo ngayon, whatever place you are into right now, kung umaga man, hapon, or gabi. We want to greet each and every one of you a wonderful ascending day to everyone. Wow! Yan, shout out now from Batangas City, from Dubai, from Oman. Greetings to all the 1.5, no? Nasa 1.5 na po ang attendees natin, and people are still coming in. And we want to welcome each and everyone. Before anything else, we want to thank lahat po ng mga councils, lahat po ng mga coaches, lahat po ng mga facilitators that made this Zoom event, this online event possible. No, hindi po magiging posible ito kung hindi po dahil sa mga coaches, sa mga mentors natin, sa mga ating facilitators and council na talaga namang buong puso, no, na talaga namang hinanda po ito. In fact, for the past few days, kasama po namin sila face to face, and this is something that we want to do, no, yung online, para po iparating sa marami kung ano ba itong paparating na new era of multi-level marketing that we are talking about. And we are very excited for this kasi talaga namang this is what we say as talaga namang faith and divine intervention to be here right now na magkakasama tayo ngayon. Kaya sa lahat na nandito ngayon, wherever you are, if you are here listening intentionally para marinig kung ano ba itong Ascendra International, and yung iba naman na medyo narinig lang na, na intriga or curious, everybody are welcome, because the truth and the fact is magkakasama tayo sa industriyang ito. Our goal is to level up this industry that we beloved so much, no, our beloved industry, multi-level marketing, network marketing. Isa sa mga naging motivation natin dito is to really make sure na may mabago tayo, meron tayong matulungan sa napakagandang opportunity na to. So, before anything else, sa lahat na nandito ngayon, we are very excited. In fact, kanina lang po, just to give you some updates, katatapos lang ng mga face-to-face meeting, we're very busy. Pero isa sa mga nakakatuwa at nakaka-excite na pangyayari is that as we pre-launch this new company that is about to come to actually revolutionize the industry, ang exciting is that, pre-launch po, ano ang tawag doon? Kasi pre-launch kung meron pang mas maaga sa pre-launch, eto po yun. In fact, this kind of Zoom webinar, this is actually not, talaga namang pasok or kasama sa timeline natin. Kasi ang Ascendra po International is talaga naman pong nasa timeline po tayo ngayon. We are all in the right timeline natin and schedules. It's just that happened that because of the surge of demand ng marami nating mga kasama sa industriya to hear, and some people na mga talaga namang interesado coming from different industry. We have people coming from the industry of insurance. We have people coming from the industry of business, entrepreneurship, iba't ibang background. Hindi lang po mga kasama natin sa industriya or space ng network marketing. We also have some affiliate marketers. Nakausap po namin, bumabaha po yung ating messages coming from the people on the affiliate marketing, kasi may mga kasama po tayo na mga influential marketers that are actually behind also Ascendra International. So nakakatuwa kasi ang dami po talagang excited, interested, and curious to know what is Ascendra International. And I want to welcome each and every one of you sa mga taga Project High, sa lahat ng mga iba't ibang grupo coming from here, mga taga Technocut from Bicol, and a lot of other teams. No? Sila po kasi yung nag-initiate to facilitate this one, pero napakaraming grupo po coming also from different organizations ang nandito po ngayon to hear about Ascendra International. So again, my name is Miko Imson. I'm your business presenter today, and I'm so excited to share to you, impart to you kung ano ba ang mission. Just give you an overview of Ascendra International. But before anything else, gusto ko lang rin mabanggit sa inyo na, like I said, this is gonna be parang mas maaga pa sa pre-launch, kasi the original pre-launch event of Ascendra International is gonna be on June 7. Alright, so June 7 po, watch out for the posters Watch out for the banners because that's going to be a face-to-face live event sa ano po tayo we will be announcing the venue sa inyo. May mga posters po tayo. Abangan po ninyo yan kasi face-to-face po yan. Dito lang po sa may Chendesitas po ang area natin. Located around Chendesitas po yung area natin. So napaka-exciting po nitong mangyayari na to, itong face-to-face na to kasi maraming mayu-unite talaga. Alright? So ang nakakatuwa dito is that coming from the experience of all of our founders and kasama rin po yung ating mga founding partners na nasasabay sa atin with this new innovation, with this new wonderful opportunity. We are excited to pre-launch this on June 7. It's gonna be a pre-launch event. Susunod-sunod rin po natin yon. And then ang pinaka-schedule po natin ng ating soft launch will be on June 3rd week. So i-announce po natin kung anong date ton. Within June 3rd week tayo sa soft launch and we will be starting also the encoding during that time. So in fact, ano po talaga, nakaset ang timeline, nakaset ang schedule. It's just that there are a lot of mga kasama natin na talagang very, very excited, no, na talagang makita, and that's why we made an event like this through online para po sa inyong lahat ito. So andito lang po tayo to share. Kayo din po, you are welcome to hear wherever you are and to see what Ascendra International is about to offer. So wag na po nating patagalin. Isa po sa mga highlights na pag-uusapan natin ngayon is actually the improvement, the independence and innovation of what we want to offer. Now, without further ado, let me share to you this newest revolutionary opportunity na talaga namang pinaghandaan natin para po sa inyong lahat. And tulong-tulong po tayo dito na pagsasamahan natin tong partnership na to. So let me share to you an innovation deck. So actually, this coming June 7, doon po natin ilo-launch yung ating official AI or Ascendra International Forum. This is gonna be a presentation for all first-timers. But this time, what I'm going to show you is actually the innovation pitch deck para po sa atin, no? Ito po yung parang pre-launch pa, no? Yung mas maaga pa sa pre-launch, no? So talaga namang ito yung ating parang company profile, overview, mission of Ascendra International. So just to give you an overview of who we are and what is our goal. So I hope you can see my screen right now. I hope you can give me a thumbs up sa screen ngayon, sa mga nandyan ngayon. Yes, wonderful, exciting. Ako po, very excited dito. Marami tayong meet mamaya. In fact, may mga meet po tayong mga co-founders natin dito sa Ascendra International. Dito po sa Ascendra International, kayo po ang bida dito. Hindi po kami. We will be rolling up our sleeves here for each and every one of you. So, to start off, we're very, very excited. Ascendra International, I know you've been hearing a lot about this for the past how many days and weeks. Now, the ultimate purpose of this company is not to disrupt, hindi po para guluhin, hindi po para mag-ingay or whatsoever, but to actually inspire and share to everyone what we found, the solution that we found for the past how many months, years of experience ng mga kasama nating founders. So coming from the combined experience ng marami nating kasama, and of course, not only from the founders, pero para kasama na rin yung mga kaibigan natin, yung mga kasama natin, yung mga mentor natin in the industry. With all love and respect to everyone, this is an accumulation of learning and solution that we found coming from all of them. So actually, malamang kasama rin po kayo dito. This solution is also coming from each and every one of you. Sa lahat ng leaders na nandito ngayon, sa lahat ng members in the networking or multi-level marketing space, malamang-lamang, bago pa po namin i-introduce ito, kasama po kayo dito without you knowing. Sabi nga nila, there is what we call a common consciousness. No? We are all definitely connected. Whether we like it or not, energies are connected. We are all energies. So sa lahat na nangyayari, sa lahat ng mga pangyayari sa industriya for the past how many years, as how the landscape changes, na nakita natin yan, na witness natin yan, sa lahat ng mga failures, sa lahat ng mga successes, sa lahat ng mga akala nating pagkakamali or mistakes. But we believe that walang mistake kung walang purpose yan. All mistakes have a purpose, have a reason, and that is why eto pong energy na i-share natin sa inyo is actually coming from each and every one that is in this Zoom seminar hall or Zoom room na to, at marami pang mga kasama natin sa industriya outside. Kasi sama-sama tayo lahat dito, kaya nabuo po ito. So let me just, show you who Ascendra International is. So ito, pag-usapan natin, nabanggit kanina ni Kat, napakaganda po ng pangalan ng company natin, Ascendra. Okay, from the word itself, Ascendra, what does it mean? Okay, Ascendra is a revolutionary business solution. The name itself, Ascend to New Era. That is the ultimate goal of this company. Actually, it's a revolutionary company. It's a business solution. Nabanggit kanina ni Kat ito. Kasi the truth and the fact is, if you will ask me, marami nagtatanong, marami nagme-message, Sir Miko, ito ba isang bagong MLM company, sa bagong networking company? Naka-binary ba yan? Ano bang marketing plan yan? Nauunahan ko na po kayo. Let me tell you directly right now, no? Uunahan ko na kayo. For me personally, hindi ko po pwedeng ikahon ang Ascendra International as an MLM company. Hindi po natin pwedeng ikahon ang Ascendra International as a network marketing company. Yes, a segment of it is actually multi-level marketing. A segment of it is network marketing. Miko, what do you mean by segment? Ibig sabihin ba, malawak ito? Now let me tell you, that's the reason why, personally, how we can call this company, we call this an end-to-end business solution. Miko, what do you mean by that? When you talk about end-to-end business solution, sa lahat po ng aspiring na negosyante, hindi lang po sa networking space, but aspiring entrepreneurs. And we all know, lahat naman po tayo na nakikinig dito, before you actually were introduced to network marketing space, before you were introduced into multi-level marketing space, lahat tayo, bago tayo pumasok sa industriyang ito, lahat tayo ang gusto natin ay matutong magnegosyo. What we heard about this is we want to change our life. We want to actually become business per people. Lahat tayo gusto maging negosyante. Gusto nating makaahon. Gusto nating mag-grow. Gusto nating mag-level up. Gusto nating umasenso. Sino po sa mga nasa Zoom room na to, nung pumasok sa industriya ng network marketing, direct selling, multi-level marketing, affiliate marketing, or whatever business, insurance that is, sales and marketing, nangarap umasenso? Kung ikaw yun, pakitype dyan, I am Asenso. Asenso, type mo yung Asenso. Ako po ay nangarap umasenso. Sige, type mo dyan, Asenso, Asenso, Asenso. Yan. If you are someone na nangarap din umasenso, okay? Before, nung pumasok ka sa industriyang ito, lahat tayo nangyari sa atin yan. We actually came into a seminar, umattend, nanood ng mga symposiums, mga seminars ng network marketing, ng multi-level marketing, natuto, because the goal is para umasenso, right? Lahat tayo nangarap umasenso. But the challenge is that most of the time, when you plug in, pag nag-join tayo, kapag nag-plug in tayo at nag-enroll tayo or nag-register, nag-pay in, ang term natin pay in, to whatever company that is. I'm not specifying any company at all, but we are talking about the industry per se. Uulitin ko po, we are not talking about a company. We are not talking about any specific company, but we are talking about the holistic view of the industry and the space ng ating mahal na industriyang multi-level marketing. Right? So for quite some time, lahat tayo gusto umasenso. Pero pagsalpak, pag-join, pag-pay-in, parang na-hype tayo, mag-join, magbago ang buhay, maging negosyante, kikita, yayaman. But the truth and the fact is, naturuan ba talaga tayong magnegosyo? Yes, may mga kumita. Yes, merong mga umasenso. But the question is, talaga bang natulungan? Talaga bang natuto tayo? So, the question is that, yun yung tanong natin. Kaya this time, what we want to do here is to make sure na magawa natin yun. So, the ascender from the name itself is to rise, to level up, ascend to a new era of our industry. Because definitely, let me tell you, if we will not do something about this, if we will not actually improve, level up, or enhance the industry that we love so much, malamang-lamang baka bukas makalawa, magising na lang tayo that the industry that we love so much is nagsa-sunset na with all of the opportunities that is available right now. And that is why today, we want to show you what's the mission. Ano bang purpose? Ano bang gusto natin? So, marami dito nag-iintay. Ano bang marketing plan? Ano ba ang produkto? Ano bang offering? So, let me tell you right now, Ascendra International is currently a registered company right now. So, ang gusto nating mangyari dito, ano ba to? Ano bang mission? Let me show you the mission. Ito yung gusto kong i-highlight. This is what we want to highlight, the overview. Sino ba si Ascendra? What is the soul? Ano ba ang purpose nito? So let me show you here the mission. Let me highlight this one. Let me zoom in the mission of Ascendra. Alam nyo, nakakatuwa po. Kasi I'll be honest with you, no? Bago ko po i-highlight yan, I will be honest with you. For quite some time, I was actually, nung ako po ay bago po, no, makasama sa Ascendra International, may isa pong individual na tumapik po sa akin at nagsabi sa akin na, Miko, I have a vision. I want to actually create value and add value to the industry that we love so much. And sabi ko sa kanya, sir, pasensya na po. Currently, right now, I have some plans in a different industry. Pero kung that's a typical, the same network marketing, multi-level marketing, baka po sir, magpapahinga po muna ako, baka po umanap muna ako ng ibang structure, ibang gagawin and everything. But when he told me, Miko, listen to this vision is something so wonderful, it will revolutionize, it will help a lot of people. Sabi ko, sige, pakinggan ko. And when I catch the vision, nung sinasabi po niya, dito po ako na-excite. I was so excited so much do sa mission. Kasi ang nakakatuwa sa mission na to, yung mga founders po, ladies and gentlemen, umattend pa po ng mga series of trainings para po dito. And when we attended, marami pa pong trainings na parating, nakakaisang session pa lang yung mga founders, pero doon po talagang binacktrack lahat. Coming from the core values, coming from the, even in the history ng mga founders, nilabas po from the corporate mission and vision and core value, nilagyan po ng identity yung company. Nilagyan po, mga kaibigan, ng identity yung ating kumpanya, yung Ascendra International. And that is why I'm so excited to share to you yung mission. So let me just show you, mga kaibigan, itong mission na po. Ang pinaka-mission ng Ascendra is we help committed dreamers. No? Ito po, gusto ko pong isa-isahin kasi word for word, talaga naman pong hindi po to hinugot kung saan lang. Ito po ay ginawa, pinag-isipan, at talaga namang meron po talagang soul or kaluluwa itong identity na. And what I love about the trainings that we attended, may sinabi po yung coach doon. Ang sabi po niya sa amin is an expert in corporate structure, is an expert in creating mission and vision and core values of a lot of legacy firm companies all over the Philippines and abroad. Ang sabi niya, when you put up a company, you need to make sure that no man is actually bigger than the mission. I love that idea. I love that mindset. Simple lang sinabi niya. Napakasimple. No man is bigger than the mission. Maraming negosyo. Ang maganda naman sana ang produkto, maganda ang business, maganda ang benta, maganda ang lahat. But when a personality of someone is inside the business, mga kaibigan, doon nahihirapan yung company. But the truth and the fact is, if a company have its own identity and no man is bigger than this, not the CEO, not the COO, not the CFO, not the C-levels, not the managers, not even yung mga distributors na nag-aakyat ng malaking benta, lahat tayo, no man is bigger than the mission. Kaya nga po, ang tawag po sa mga founders is not owners. Hindi po owners ang tatawagin sa mga C-level founders ito. Ang tawag po is founder. Because we found a solution. They found a solution to share to everyone. So sabay-sabay po nating pagtutulungan itong nahanap nating solusyon. And that is why no one owns this. But everybody can share with it, can actually enjoy and maximize it. So the mission of this company is to help committed dreamers. So I want to emphasize on the word committed. Ang goal is tumulong. Kanino daw? Sa mga dreamers. Let me see here, who are the dreamers in this Zoom room? Kung may mga dreamers po dyan, pakitype po, pakitaas ang kamay, pakilagyan ng puso yung GC natin kung kayo po ay dreamers. Sa lahat ng dreamers, mag-thumbs up ka dyan, mag-heart ka dyan sa lahat ng mga dreamers natin. So if you are a dreamer, thumbs up. Ayan, ang daming mga dreamers. Ayan, wonderful. Sa lahat ng dreamers, madaling mangarap, madaling maging dreamer. But the challenge is that, are you committed enough with your dreams? So ladies and gentlemen, that is a big question. And that is why we want to emphasize this. We want to emphasize now na ang hinahanap natin, ang kailangan natin is committed. Kasi mahirap tulungan ng mga taong hindi willing tulungan ng sarili nila. So we want to help committed dreamers, and the goal is to help them what? To help them grow. The goal is to help them grow. Sabi nga natin, lahat tayo, ang goal is umasenso. Kaya makikita nyo sa Ascendra, lahat dito, yung energy dito ng mga tao, ang vibe dito, lahat gusto mag-move forward. Lahat gusto umasenso. We are not out over the noise, we are not over whatever issues, but ang goal natin is to grow, para umasenso, para mag-level up, para umunlad. So if you are ready to be in that kind of culture, if you're ready to be in that kind of environment, Ascendra is a wonderful, wonderful opportunity and system for each and every one. So the goal is to help committed dreamers grow. Paano natin gagawin yun? By providing clarity. Now, I want to emphasize on this. Ladies and gentlemen, sa lahat po na nandito ngayon, mapa-network marketer, mapa-negosyante, mapa-salesperson, sales and marketing, kung meron ka mang dadalhin paglabas mo ng Zoom room na to, pag-end nitong Zoom room na to, kung meron ka mang daladala ngayong gabi na to, etong salitang to ang tandaan nyo, clarity. Can you please type it down there? Clarity. Come on everybody, type it down there. Clarity. Everybody, come on. Sige po, pakitype po. Yes. Yes. Clarity. Pakitype po yung salitang clarity. Sige po, makikitype po ako sa inyo. Makikitype ako. Clarity. Yan, sige po, sige po. Clarity. Yan, wonderful. Yan. Kung meron po kayong dadalhin ngayong gabing to, yung salitang yan ang napaka-importante. The word clarity. Bakit? Kasi to be honest, yun yung sinasabi ko kanina, marami sa atin nag-join into different companies, nag-join into the industry of networking space. In fact, hindi lang sa networking, in whatever industry, when you plug in and want to become a business person, become an entrepreneur at umasenso, ang challenge is that hindi klaro kung ano yung mga gagawin, kung paano gagawin at bakit gagawin. Walang clarity. At sabi nga po, let me just borrow what Tony Robbins said, clarity is power. Kapag maliwanag kung anong mga dapat gawin, paano gagawin, at bakit gagawin, talaga namang uusad at uunlad ka. So we want a power of clarity. Sa negosyo, pag sumalpak tayo, gusto natin klaro. Kasi pag hindi klaro at hindi sigurado, marami sa atin basta humahataw lang because of hype, humahataw lang because of motivation, humahataw lang because na-excite. Ladies and gentlemen, what happened is that hindi siya nagtatagal, hindi siya sustainable. Ilan na po yung na-training sa atin na sinabi sa atin na kailangan motivated ka, kailangan power ka, kailangan grabe ka. Now the challenge is that pag tayo po motivated, after ma-motivate sa training, after lumabas ng training, after lumabas ng presentation, motivated after 2 to 3 days, parang nilagnat lang. Sino dito yung mga parang nilagnat lang, after 2 to 3 days, bagsak naman yung tuka? Sino dito yung may mga ganong kasama sa negosyo na experience yun, or tayo mismo aminadong na experience yun? Because again, when motivation comes from outside, it is superficial, it's short-lived. But when motivation comes from inside, talaga namang tumatagal. Kaya ang motivation hindi dapat manggaling sa labas. Ang motivation ng bawat aspiring entrepreneurs dapat manggaling within, sa purpose mo. And para tumagal yung motivation na yan, hindi lang basta motivation ang importante, but actually the clarity. Yung structure, yung system, paano ba gagawin talaga? Marami sa ating pagsalpak, sariling aral, sariling sikap. Pagsalpak natin, na-hype tayo, and then all of a sudden, we don't even know what to do. Minsan pagsalpak natin, napakarami ng available information overload to the point that we don't even know how to start. So if you are honest enough to yourself at na-experience mo yan, at nararanasan mo yan or naranasan mo yan, then guess what? This is for you. In Ascendra, the goal is to offer clarity. Paano natin i-offer ang clarity? Maliwanag, klaro. Klaro po ang 3 pong bagay. Una, we will make sure na klaro po ang proper tools. May ibibigay po, may ipoprovide na proper tools. Now, can you imagine? Can you please type there, imagine? Everybody type there, imagine. Okay? Can you imagine if lahat ng kagrupo mo or lahat ng maiimbitahan mo na aspiring entrepreneurs, nasasalpak sa grupo mo, nasasalpak sa kumpanya, is provided with the proper tools. Klaro kung ano yung mga gagamitin. Can you imagine if that could happen? Can you imagine if there are proper tools for you to use? Kung kumpleto na lahat ng kailangan mo. Can you imagine what could be the potential that can happen? Marami sa atin kanya-kanyang gawa ng tools. Marami sa atin kanya-kanyang gawa ng mga dapat natin gawin pa kung paano tayo makakabenta, kung paano tayo uunlad. But here, we want to make sure na kompleto yung tools. Gusto nating matuto, gusto nating i-practice, pero walang practical application, walang practical tools. So here, we want to be clear that we will be providing proper tools. Now, just to give you some few of many examples that Ascendra has to offer in terms of proper tools, we are the only company, all right, that we have in the office, MLM company or network marketing company, if you may say, na meron po tayo mga kaibigan na sariling live selling booths on our offices. Can you imagine? Live selling booths sa opisina. May mga live selling booth po tayo doon. So every now and then, if you're a member of Ascendra, you can just schedule yourself. Pa-schedule ka lang. Pasok ka doon sa live selling booth. May mga produkto na naka-display, Instagrammable live selling booth. Nandun na po yung monitor, makikita mo kung sino mga nanonood sa'yo. Nandun po mga kaibigan, yung technician mo, may tumutulong sa'yo doon, may camera na dyan. Nandiyan yung mga produkto, you can schedule yourself for 1 hour live selling, magbebenta ka doon, mag-aabladas ka doon, at may na do's and don'ts na rin kung anong mga dapat mong gawin, and i-apply mo lang yung mga matututunan mo on the structured learning. May courses po na ibibigay sa'yo para po ma-practice mo at ma-apply mo doon sa mga live selling booth. At pag nabenta natin sa page in 1 hour, dadaan sa iyo as a distributor, as a member of Ascendra. Sa iyo yung income, sa iyo yung points. Na-apply natin yung mga gusto nating matutunan. In reality, ino-offer at pino-provide ng company. Klaro ang proper tools. That's just one of many clarity in proper tools that we will offer. Now, if you will ask me, Nico, how would you do that? Paano yan? Live selling, bago yan. Ibang industriya. Now, let me tell you, kailangan po nating mag-evolve. Kailangan nating mag-improve. Because if not, like I told you a while ago, magsasunset po ang industry na mahal natin. Because to be honest, it's a big question right now in the landscape of sales and marketing kung bakit pa ako mag-join sa isang multi-level marketing or networking company. Because if I will be joining a networking company, can you imagine, magbabayad pa ako ng X amount of money for you just to promote and sell a few products. Pwede naman na ngayon in this generation, hindi ko na kailangan mag-join. Bubuksan ko lang yung cellphone ko, punta lang ako sa TikTok, just open a TikTok account, and then you can actually create and sell, market, and promote different products sa damakbak na produkto. And from there, pwede ka pa actually kumita ng malaki. So why would you join a company pa? And that's why if we will not improve, if we will not level up, if we will not provide, at hindi tayo tatawid sa mga ino-offer na ganun, ladies and gentlemen, magsasunset ang industry. That's why we need to revolutionize it. Ito po yun, proper tools. Now, this time, yung pangalawa, clarity in proper tools. Second is clarity in structured learning. Ito na. This is what I love. Kasi ito yung pinaka-value, isa sa mga klarong value na gusto nating i-offer sa mga members natin at sa mga magiging members natin at part ng community. Structured learning. You know, most of the time, medyo binabasag natin yung school system na may binabasag natin yung sistema and everything. But the truth and the fact is, we can learn a lot of things from the school system. Kaya pala sa school system, may grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, grade 5. Hindi ka pala pwede graduate from grade 1, diretso kang grade 6. Importante pala yung 2 to 5. Kaya pala pag-graduate mo ng elementary, hindi ka pwedeng dumaretso ng college ng basta-basta. Kailangan pala may dadaanan kasi structured dapat ang learning. So we can learn something from that. But in our industry for quite some time, ang nakakalungkot is that when you plug in, pagbukas mo kahit yung pinakamaliit na package, ang nangyayari is kompleto na lahat, nandun na lahat. Lahat ng trainings available sa'yo, it's up to you kung anong a-attendan mo. It's up to you kung sinong pakikinggan mo. Kaya minsan, maayos naman at maganda ang mga trainings at gagaling ang lahat ng mga trainers. But the challenge is that sometimes, the problem is kung iba-iba na pinapakinggan mo, iba't iba na mga sinasabi and everything, minsan naghahalo-halo lahat, hindi structured. Information overload can stagnate you. Instead of actually giving you production, instead of giving you opportunity, nag-i-stagnate po tayo. And that is why, in Ascendra, dito po hindi ka magpe-pay-in. Ang tawag namin dito, mag-e-enroll ka. As part of our value offering in Ascendra, we have a structured learning system. Yung structured learning system po natin, rank-based po siya. Ang mga rank po natin, may role. May role po, may sombrero. Alam mo yung hat na wini-wear mo. So ang mga ranks po natin, role-based. Ang title po, alam mo kung anong trabaho mo, anong role mo. Ang challenge kasi sometimes, nag-rank up tayo, but the challenge is we don't know what to do next. Hindi natin alam kung ano dapat talaga natin gawin, hindi maliwanag kung anong role. So dito yung mga roles natin from associate, builder, consultant, the director, executive, lahat po yun, automatic, kompleto po yun. Kompleto po ang lahat ng ating mga ranks na role-based. So nandun lahat ng mga dapat matutunan. Meron tayong on-demand training, and meron din po tayong masterclass series. So lahat po yun pwede nyong attendan live. Live and on demand. May mga videos po. So plug and play, you can watch what you need to learn. Now if you'll ask me, Nico, kayo ba lahat magti-training yan? Now ngayon pa lang po sasabihin ko na sa inyo, we are not claiming that we are experts. If you will tell us, Nico, paano nyo gagawin yan? And daming kailangang ituro niyan. From affiliate, from associate, ituturo nyo yung affiliate marketing, ituturo nyo yung e-commerce, ituturo nyo yung sa builder, yung pag-build ng grupo, ituturo nyo sa associate pa lang po, sulit na. Yung content creation, yung Facebook ads, yung target marketing, yung demographics, how to utilize artificial intelligence. The question is that, are you expert of that? Now let me tell you, hindi po. Ngayon pa lang po, kasabihin ko na sa inyo, hindi po kami expert dito because in most typical companies, kailangan expert lahat ng may-ari, lahat ng founders, kailangan expert in whatever they say. Sila lahat na nagtitraining. But let me tell you, here hindi po ganon. In Ascendra, we are not actually owners like I told you. We are founders. We will learn with you. What we do is we maximize the term network marketing. Nakakahon natin masyado yung networking sa one on the left, one on the right, matching. Pero the truth is, networking is collaboration. Every business is networking. Ang networking po, kaibigan, hindi naman lang industriya. It's a lifestyle. Whatever industry that is, kailangan po ng network marketing. Kailangan ng network executive. From the moment you put up a company, paghahanap pa lang ng supplier, network na po yan. Paghahanap pa lang po ng magaling na provider, network na po yan. Yung pagmamarket, hindi lang po hanggang pagmamarket ang network marketing, hindi lang po paghahanap ng kliyente ang network marketing. So, in every aspect of business, you need to network, you need to collaborate, and that is why in Ascendra, gagamitin natin ang tama yung term na network marketing. We will network experts coming from different industry. As of the moment, we are connected to a lot of experts in content creation, in influential marketing. Lahat po ng mga materials and contents nila, they are very willing to be with us as part of the company in collaboration with them to utilize all of their expertise at i-share sa lahat ng members ng Ascendra. So hindi po kami ang makikita nyo. Hindi po kung sino-sino makikita, hindi po yung puro may-ari or founders ang makikita nyo. In fact, makikita nyo po kami sa opisina, kasama nyo, makikipag-usap sa inyo, andun kami, kaakbayan nyo, kaapiran ninyo, kasama nyo sa negosyo, we'll roll up the sleeves with you. But we will not be the one to always be the one expert na magsasalita. Hindi po. Lahat po tayo dito sabay-sabay mag-grow, sabay-sabay matututo. If you are okay with that, if you're excited with that, give me a thumbs up. Come on everybody. If you are excited to grow, if you're excited to learn, give me a thumbs up. So kaya ang maganda dito, sige po, thumbs up muna, thumbs up, sige po. Yes, give me a thumbs up if you're ready to grow with clarity and structured learning. Yan. Wonderful, wonderful. Ayan, sige. Thumbs up, lahat ready. Okay? Now let me tell you this. Structured learning, no? Kaya nga nakakatawa dito, pag buy nyo ng package, mga kaibigan, may boarding pass po yung package natin. Kasi yung ating learning program, ang tawag natin is Ascend program. From the name itself, Ascend, A-S-C-E-N-D. Just to give you an overview, Ascend means attitude, skills, and clarity education for network development. Again, Ascend is attitude, skills, and clarity education for network development. So maliwanag yung Ascend program, pagtanggap mo ng package, kasama sa package mo yung boarding pass. Kasi ang storyline ng ating learning system is a flight path to success. Parang sasakay ng eroplano, may boarding pass, and then after you get the package, you have a boarding pass, you can check it in. Pag check in mo, may workbook ka. So meron tayong flight path to success. Okay, yung clear, nandun po maliwanag yung flight. So meron tayong mga modules coming from that. May workbook po per module. So hinati po natin yung mga module in a very beautiful acronym. Ang tawag po doon sa acronym, CLEAR. C-L-E-A-R. Maliwanag. Because the ultimate goal is parang sasakay ka ng eroplano. If you are going to check in your flight path to success, importante na pag sumakay ka ng eroplano, kayo tanongin ko, Pag sumakay ka ba ng eroplano, pwede bang mag-take off ang eroplano nang hindi maliwanag kung saan papunta? Meron ba kayong nakitang eroplano na nag-take off at nag-lift off from the airport na walang final destination? Of course, hindi. Of course, wala. Walang eroplano na mag-take off ng airport na walang final destination na hindi maliwanag kung saan papunta. It might be a very, very stupid question. Pero nakakatuwa yung tanong. Parang imposible. Ba't mo tinatanong yan? But the truth is, nangyayari po yan sa tunay na buhay. Marami sa atin humahataw, marami sa atin nangarap at humataw at trumabaho, lumipad, tumikop, kumita ng marami, pero hindi pa rin sigurado kung saan papunta. So lumilipad lang ng lumilipad, hindi klaro kung paano ba gagawin. Marami sa atin, yung iba pa nakatsamba. Paano mo ituturo yung tsamba? Paano mo ituturo yung isang bagay na yun? So paglipad natin, hindi mo alam saan ka papunta. Kaya kakaikot, saan tayo upline? Basta doon tayo. Okay? Basta lipad lang tayo. So pag naubusan ng gasolina, nag-attrition, bagsak, crash, ang malungkot doon, pag nag-crash, hindi lang yung piloto ang kasama. Kasama yung buong nakasakay sa kanya. And that is why, in Ascendra, we want to offer a clear, structured learning, a flight path to success. Yung CLEAR po is an acronym of modules. Yung C is your check-in. So may check-in 1, check-in 2, check-in 3. Nandun po yung mga topics ng motive, mindset, pag-uusapan yung mindset, yung motive, pag-uusapan yung mastery ng products, pag-uusapan yung mastery ng marketing plan, ng binegosyo, pag-uusapan po yung ating method. And after all of those workbook in CLEAR, may mga practical applications, you go to letter L, lift off. Doon ay tuturo yung mga skills na kailangan. And like I said, experts will be the one to teach us. Not the owners. Hindi po yung mga owners lang, pero yung mga experts po, from associate, builder, and all the ranks. And what I love, yung E, C-L-E, sa CLEAR, yung E is elevate. When you are already in flight, naka-lift off ka na, you need to elevate. Yung elevate po is a role-based training. May workbook po per rank. So may elevate associate, may elevate builder, may elevate consultant, may elevate director. So may mga role-based training per module, per workbook. So when you go to associate, merong mga topics. Associate pa lang, sulit na. Sulit na yung associate. Kasi doon pa lang, you'll be learning about content creation, influential marketing. You'll be learning about how to actually target market online, sell your products, hustle your products online and offline. Pag akyat mo ng builder, may elevate builder, ibang workbook yun. So maayos, may structure ang structured learning. Lahat tayo mag-enroll. So lahat ng isasama mo, imagine, klaro yung papasukan nila. Pag alam mong medyo mahina sa ganitong skill, alam mo kung anong module siya ipapasok. May structured learning. And of course, last but not the least, clarity through reliable system. And we know all of this. Alam natin to, mga kaibigan. Alam natin na napaka-importante ng sistema na dependable. Sistema na mapagkakatiwalaan. Sistema na maaasahan. And ladies and gentlemen, you know, as we found the solution, like I said, nung nahanap natin yung solusyon ng Ascendra, we have two options. We have an option to choose because one of the greatest investment in network marketing and multi-level marketing is actually the infrastructure back-end, yung IT development. And we have an option. Either we choose an IT developers na mga expert na po sa MLM. Marami po sila. Napakagagaling po. Marami pong magagaling na IT that are expert in multi-level marketing na naka-template na. Sabihin mo lang ang numero, bukas makalawa, may marketing plan ka na. So we have an option to have that. But also, we have an option to choose some IT developers that they might not be too expert in multi-level marketing. Hindi man sila ganun ka-expert in multi-level marketing, but they have a different expertise. Let me give an example. An IT developer that is well-embedded, pioneering, and ladies and gentlemen, very expert in artificial intelligence. Australian-based, Filipino, pero eto po, sariling atin, pero ito yung kinukuha sa iba't ibang bansa to actually create use case applications on artificial intelligence. Well-embedded person, well-embedded firm. Isang grupo po, isa pong napakalaking kumpanya na kung ang lalaki rin po ng mga hinahandle. And nakakatuwa po, God willing, God's grace, pinag-connect po ang dots at nakausap po natin. We have the choice to go for IT experts ng MLM with a template para mabilis or go with this. Alam niyo ang analogy dyan, simple lang. Parang mga athlete yan. Ang athlete pwedeng football player or pwedeng basketball player. Ang basketball player, pag pinaglaro mo ng football, kagad-kagad, hindi naman kagad makakalaro yan this week. Pag-aaralan pa niya yan. Pero kaya niyang gawin yan kasi athletic naman siya. Pareha silang athletic. Vice versa, ganun din. Yung basketball player, pag laruin mo ng football, hindi niya kayang gawin yan, pag-aaralan niya muna. So the same in IT. In IT, it's the same. May mga expert na kailangan mo ng pag-aralan. So what we did for a few months, talagang inaraw-araw, ginabi-gabi yung mga IT natin. And what's amazing about it, that's why I want to share this, what's amazing, yung dashboard po natin, because these are not experts in MLM, but expert in artificial intelligence at inaral ng mabuti yung multi-level marketing. What's amazing is the dashboard, the members portal is out of the box. They are experts in artificial intelligence, in finance. So pag nakita nyo po yung dashboard natin, it's out of the box in the MLM template. Can you imagine a dashboard, sa gilid po may AI guide panel. AI guide panel, artificial intelligence guide panel. So what does it do for you? Now let me share you. Okay? Dito sa mga nandito ngayon, let me share you what AI guide panel do sa 1,900. Can you imagine? Can you imagine when you are running your business, networking business, and you can maximize the data? Pakitype nga po, data is gold. Pakitype dyan ngayon, data is gold. Pakinggan mo mabuti ito. Gaano ka-powerful ang AI? Marami sa atin, naguguluhan tayo paano ba ang use case ng AI. Ang AI po is input-output. You can maximize it by using the data. Data analytics and performance analytics. Suggestions. Yung AI guide panel mo sa dashboard mo ng Ascendra will give you all the data that you need. Can you imagine? Gamitin natin yung pangalan ni Miss Kat, yung host natin kanina. Can you imagine si Miss Kat, kung sa grupo niya, alam niya kung ilan ang babae at lalaki. Kung sa dashboard niya, makikita niya sa grupo niya, anong produkto yung bumibenta, anong package yung pinaka-bumibenta at ano yung hindi. Sa 5 package, magkakaiba ng presyo. May 8,500, 17,500, 45,000, 100,000, 200,000. Alam mo kung anong package yung pinakamabenta, saang lugar, anong demographics. When you have that kind of data, that's data analytics, you can simply analyze that data and predict what the market needs and wants. Yun ang power ng data. In this generation, data is gold. Because in business, if you have and you can harness the data, then you can predict what the market needs and wants. And if you can predict what the market needs and wants, let me tell you, as a business person, as an entrepreneur, you can decide well. Marami sa atin, hindi makapag-decide ng maayos, hindi makapag-follow up ng maayos, hindi maalagaan ng maayos, hinuhulaan kung anong kailangan ng grupo, nakikipagramdaman, pinupulsuhan yung leaders dahil hindi natin alam kung anong kailangan, anong data nila. But if you have it on your dashboard, may data guide, AI guide panel ka, you can simply know what your people needs and how to reach out to them. Can you imagine si Miss Ka, kung one of the leaders niya is si Paul, he can simply click Paul. Pag pinindot ni Kat si Paul, makikita niya yung suggestion ng AI kung paano magra-rank up si Paul. Makikita ni Miss Ka kung ano yung mga produktong mahina si Paul, kung ano yung mga skills, mga trainings na natapos niya and everything, para alam mo kung saan mo siya ilalagay. So can you imagine having that kind of AI guide panel? Having a business, magsisimula ka ng negosyo, sa dashboard mo pa lang, para kang may personal secretary. In every business, you need to have a companion. Kailangan may kapartner ka. Kaya nga sa Ascendra, ito ang kapartner mo sa pag-asenso. Yung AI itself is a solution that can become your partner. You can even ask question to it, mga basic questions. Kamusta ang profit and loss ko? Kamusta ang negosyo ko? Saan papunta? Ano nangyayari? Ano yung mga marketing plans ngayon? Ano yung mga details na ganito? You can ask questions and that, and expert po yun sa Ascendra at sa business. And what's good about AI, ang AI po is learning, generative siya. So ibig sabihin, parang baby yan. The more you ask question, the more input and output, lalo siyang tumatalino. Kaya darating ang time, we will be creating in Ascendra a very, very powerful super entrepreneur AI. At kayo po ang makaka-maximize doon kasi part kayo ng AI na yun. Like I said, shared consciousness. Ang Ascendra po hindi galing sa amin. We just found this. Nahanap lang po namin kasi galing to sa ating lahat. This is a shared consciousness of everyone. Are you following? Alright? So, bago ka pa mag-join dito, actually, part ka na po nito. Nag-gets niyo po ba ako? Bago ka pa mag-join dito, actually, part ka na nito. Okay? Ganun ka powerful. So, that is reliable system. Dagdagan ko lang na mabilis kasi isa pa to sa gustong-gusto ko. Yung dashboard po natin, Isa sa mga nagiging challenges natin in network marketing, isa sa mga challenges natin in business is akala natin nagnegosyo tayo. Minsan may mga networkers pa nakakalungkot. Hindi ko nila lahat, pero nakakalungkot. Kaya minsan marami sa atin hindi natin masabi na nagne-network ka. Kasi bakit? Minsan kasi may mga networkers na ang kultura, binabanatan pa actually nila. Binabanatan nila actually yung ating mga binabanatan nila actually yung ating mga traditional businessman. Binabanatan nila actually most of the time yung mga employees. Pag empleyado, binabanatan nila everything. But let me tell you guys, tanggalin natin yung kulturang ganon. Let's collaborate because the truth and the fact is, nakakatuwa man isipin, ang commission mga kaibigan, pag binayad ng commission sa atin, buo po yan, di ba? Nasa dashboard natin, buo mo na-receive. Na ang mindset, pag kinuha natin yan, pag kinuha natin yung pera dyan, ang mindset ng distributor, pag in-encash ang pera niya yan, gagamitin niya kung saan, kung kailan niya gusto. But the reality is, in business, it doesn't work like that. Ang mga negosyante po, mga kaibigan, they know if you want to run your business well, ang mga negosyante, they know that they are actually, mga kaibigan, employed by their company. Kung ang negosyante po, ang tingin sa kumpanya niya is cash cow, kung ang negosyante po, araw-araw ang tingin sa kumpanya niya, monthly, ang income is personal income niya, hindi po tatagal yung kumpanya. So, kaya nga, yung mission, yung isa sa mga values natin, no man is bigger than the mission. May sarili pong entity and identity ang ating company, Ascendra. And that is why, dito po maganda kasi meron pong subliminal financial management si Ascendra. What's amazing about it, sa dashboard mo pa lang, you can encash it, no? Sa'yo yung perang yun, ma-encash mo yun, pero allocated na. Allocation is key in financial management. Pag marunong ka mag-allocate, you can manage your finances well. And let me tell you, in finance, it's not just about earning money, it's about how you manage it. Kaya pag alam mo i-manage yan, imagine mo, yung marketing plan mo, kukuha mo doon, nandun yung essential accounts natin, nandun yung expansion account, nandun yung enjoyment account, allocated yung pang-enjoyment. Minsan ang hirap sa Pilipino, nauuna yung enjoyment bago yung mga pang-araw-araw. Kaya minsan travel muna, Boracay muna, pag-uwi, sardines na. Okay? And that is why we want to encourage each and everyone in Ascendra, yung pong ginagawa. May financial management sa dashboard pa lang. Isn't that exciting? So again, the goal is to help committed dreamers grow by providing clarity through proper tools, structured learning, and reliable system. That is our mission. And if we can give that, if we can offer that, and we can share that together, can you imagine? We can create an impact beyond profit. Yan ang gusto natin. To create impact beyond profit. Darating ang time, you will reach a certain rank called legacy partner. Na ang goal po natin, mga kaibigan, is to create impact into the society. You have a total share to the revenue of the company. And that is why as a legacy partner, you will be focusing on creating legacy. Yung mga magiging legacy partners, you will be having a circle of legacy partners, society of legacy partner, na ang pag-uusapan po, mga kaibigan, is how are you impacting your society right now? Ilang eskwelahan na buksan mo? Ilang patubig na nabuksan mo? So legacy partner, we want to create impact beyond profit, and it's easy to create impact beyond profit and create legacy if there is clarity, if there is structure. And that is why ito po yung gusto natin. This is the mission of Ascendra International. If you want to be part of this mission, if you want clarity, ladies and gentlemen, paki-type po dyan, I am ready. I am ready. Paki-type po dyan, yes, thank you. Yes, type dyan. Type po dyan, I am ready. I am ready. Wonderful. Now, moving forward, ito po, pakita ko po sa inyo. So, ito po yung makikita natin, guys. This is the 3 I's, the precursor of growth. Okay? Okay, precursor of growth natin. Kasi Ascendra, the synonymous term of Ascendra is growth. So, if you want to grow, there are 3 I's here. 3 I's of growth, 3 precursor ng growth, 3 I ang pag-uusapan. So ito po, mostly magiging laman ng AI forum natin. We just show you the overview, the mission, doon tayo gusto mag-highlight, but this time we want to show you the 3 I's. Papakita natin mabilis. I is improvement, second I is independence, and third I is innovation. Ang gusto natin dito, precursor of growth, ang hirap mag-grow kapag hindi ka willing mag-improve ng sarili mo. Ang hirap mag-grow kapag ikaw ay dependent pa rin to someone. If you're still dependent to a government, if you're dependent to a boss, if you're dependent to a parent, mahihirapan ka mag-grow. And that's why if you want growth, you need to be independent. And last, you need innovation. And as you can see, this is what we offer. The first offering is improvement. We have some improvement packages. So improvement packages po natin, ang goal natin sa improvement packages is to make you the MVP of your life. That's what we offer. Improvement package to make you the MVP. Anong laman ng package? Anong laman ng improvement package? May MVP. Ano yun? Mastery, vitality, and protection. Right? So mastery, dun po papasok yung explain ko kayo ng structured learning. May on-demand training and may masterclass series. Meron din mga societies and clubs. So magsasama-sama, you can share insights with your co-ranks. And we also have vitality. So definitely, ang hirap naman, ang dami mong alam. You have knowledge and skills at nag-i-improve ka personally. Pero problema, may sakit ka naman. So we want to also offer vitality for everyone. That is part of our improvement package. And last but not the least is protection. Because the foundation and level 1 of financial management is to actually insure and cover yourself. To have financial protection. Ang hirap mag-manage ng cash flow kung wala kang insurance. Ang hirap mag-manage ng cash flow pag hindi protected yung finances mo. Kasi anytime may mangyaring hindi inaasahan, disrupted yung cash flow. And that is why what we offer in Ascendra is an improvement package na nandun po will make you an MVP kasi it has mastery, vitality, and protection. Yung mastery pa lang po, produkto na po ito. Can you imagine if you will offer this to people that are having businesses, entrepreneurs who wants to scale up their business at nahihirapan silang palakihin yung negosyo na? Guess what? You can connect them to Ascendra, make them enroll to Ascendra, and maximize the mastery program kasi may mga experts po tayo sa mga iba't ibang fields of marketing, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, content creation. Hindi po kami, pero yung mga experts ang magtuturo dun sa mga clients ninyo, sa mga magiging members ninyo. So doon pa lang produkto na po yun. Yung mastery pa lang, napakagandang value proposition na nun. It's a unique value proposition. Kasi structured siya. Iba pa yung vitality and protection. Next, we have the independence. Dito na po natin i-explain yung 3 financial accounts. Because in personal finance, tatlo naman talaga kailangan mo, di ba? You need to have an account or wallet para sa mga daily needs, mga pangangailangan araw-araw. That's your essential account. You need to have an account for your expansion of life. We call it expansion kasi nandiyan yung savings and investment. And third, you need to have your enjoyment account. Mahirap nang walang enjoyment account. Kasi mahirap kapag hindi mo na-enjoy yung pera mo. Pag hindi mo na-enjoy yan, mabilis ka mababurn out. Alright? That's why you need to have an enjoyment account. Ang problema yung iba, yung allocations niya magulo. So dito may kasamang financial management sa loob ng Ascendra. And ang magpapagalaw sa mga accounts mo is yung tinatawag nating Turbo, the Triple Unified Recurring Bonus. This is a patented marketing plan and compensation plan na ang maganda po dito, actuarial computed, we have the unified binary, unified unilevel, and unified override. One effort, simultaneously, 3 income is happening all at the same time. This will be the engine na magpapatakbo ng mga accounts natin. Turbo is our computation engine, our compensation plan engine. Alright? So yung details po niyan ng Turbo, i-explain po natin yung detalye niyan para sa mga first-timers pagdating po ng June 7 sa atin pong pre-launch event face-to-face. Okay po ba kayo doon? There will be details there nung Turbo natin, gaano ka-powerful to. Right? And of course, last but not least, yung innovation. It's hard to grow if you are not willing to innovate. And if other platform, may kanya-kanya po silang hand, may kanya-kanya silang baraha. Guess what? In Ascendra, we have the aces. Nasa atin po ang alas. Bakit? Yung aces natin in Ascendra, we have the automation. Because we are the only company that is really AI-powered. May use case AI. Experts ang gumawa. Alright? May performance analytics, data analytics, may companion, may suggestions. Kompleto. Magagamit natin. Marami pang future na parating on these AI-powered tools na nakalinya, nakapila. We also have creativity. What I love about creativity is that in Ascendra, you can create your own brand. You can become creative because you actually can own your own brand in Ascendra. Sa Ascendra po, meron tayong certain rank that when you reach this enterprise rank, Ascendra Business Solution can help you register your organization as a full registered SEC company. Would that be great? So kaya sa Ascendra, hindi lang po tayo habang buhay ahente or kahit kumita ka ng malaki super agent. Sa Ascendra, we will register you as a company. Ang goal ng Ascendra, darating ang time, Ascendra will be having a lot of company partners. At sino po yung mga kumpanyang kapartner natin? Yung mga organization po ninyo yun. Because the truth and the fact is, we are partners. Kaya nga po hindi owners yung mga nakahanap nitong solution na to. We are founders and we will partner with you. So darating ang time, you will register your own company because the truth and the fact is, as you run your network, you are actually running your own marketing enterprise. Did you know that? You are running your own enterprise already. You are running your own marketing enterprise. It's just that wala lang proper ownership, wala lang proper education kung paano patakbuhin. But this time, i-structure po natin, kaklaruhin natin. Alright? So can you imagine, you can actually create your own brand. And on the next level po natin, after enterprise brand, you can actually have your own white label solution. Pwede ka magpagawa ng produkto mo na may sarili kang brand. Okay? So si Kat, magkakaroon ng sariling Kat Glutathione na pwede natin i-share. You have a different revenue share on that. So this is partnership. You will start in Ascendra International where pag nagsisimula pa lang, business to client ang transactions natin. Ang relationship natin will be business to client. But the time will come as you grow your network. Walang suppression, walang imperialism, walang limitation. It's all collaboration. Darating ang time, ang transaction and relationship natin, B2B na, business to business. Because you are going to run your own business. And Ascendra will be your partner to do that. Isn't that wonderful? Does that make sense? If that makes sense, can you give me a thumbs up? Sa mga ready na mag-create ng brand nila with Ascendra, type ko dyan yung pangarap mong brand, yung pangalan ng brand mo, ngayon pa lang i-manifest na natin. Okay? Manifest your brand now with Ascendra yan. Alright? Wala tayong makikitang ganyan sa iba. Type it down there. Alright? And of course, next is E, expansion. We will be having a lot of subsidiaries like your business solution that you can maximize in the future. Napakalayo po ng pupuntahan ng Ascendra. Sa umpisa pa lang, nakalapat na po yung roadmap, nakalapat na po yung vision. Umpisa pa lang, beginning pa lang. Ganun ka-importante po yun. That in the beginning, nakalapat na kung saan papunta. Alright? May direksyon na. Bago pa lumipad, may final destination na. Hindi yung habang lumilipad, tsaka tayo maghahanap ng final destination. Alright? So that's what we love about this. And last but not the least, my favorite one is succession. Mga kaibigan, pumasok po tayo sa negosyo. Lahat po ng negosyante, ang gusto natin may exit strategy. We want to have an exit strategy in every business. Ganun naman po talaga. Pag nagtatayo ko ng negosyo, kailangan mo ng exit strategy. Why? Because darating ang time, you want to focus on the things that are more important. Araw-araw po natin pinapangako ang financial freedom and time freedom. Now, my question is it really true for you in your life? Ang tagal natin pinapangako ang time freedom and financial freedom. The question is it really true? Talaga ba na-experience natin yung financial or time freedom? Or habang pag lumalaki ang grupo at lumalaki ang business, baka halos lalo tayo nawawala ng oras sa pamilya natin. So if that's the case, this time with Ascendra, we are a pro-family company. We are a pro-succession company. Ang goal natin sa Ascendra is that here, may succession program. When you reach the legacy partner, apart from having a share of the revenue from the total income of the company, apart from that, is aside from that, pag ikaw na sa legacy partner, you can avail the services of our business solution so that we can assign an account manager in your business. So may mag-ooperate sa'yo. Dalawa po ang paraan ng mga negosyante kung paano mag-exit strategy. Unang paraan ng mga negosyante, gumawa ng negosyong sobrang valuable, pataasin ang benta, pataasin ang valuation, and then ang exit strategy para maraming oras sa pamilya, ibenta yung shares. That's one way. But the second way is this one. Second basic way, no? May mga two basic way lang to ng pag-exit strategy ng mga negosyante. Second is succession program. Pataasin ang benta, palaki ng grupo, pataasin ang valuation. Pag nandun na yung company this time, you can actually find someone to operate your business so that you can focus on things that are more important to you, like your family, like your loved ones, like your children. So mga kaibigan, with that, meron kang account manager, kakausapin ka dyan. Sir, ito po yung profit and loss natin. For the past quarter, these are the things that we need to troubleshoot. Ito po yung mga events natin so that you can focus on the things that are more important and you can build more your legacy. Does that make sense? If that makes sense, kami kaibigan, give me a thumbs up there. Sa mga ready ng mag-succession program, sa mga ready ng mag-innovate, type mo dyan, improvement, independence, innovation. Come on everybody, type nyo yung tatlong major I, improvement, independence, innovation. Alright? Yan. Yes, improvement, independence, innovation. That is the three precursor of growth in Ascendra. Alright? Now, let me show you, mga kaibigan. Ito na po. Okay? Ito po yung mga enrollment rank sa mastery natin. So, like I told you, makikita nyo dyan, rank, role-based po yung mga rank natin. Role-based. May ibig sabihin po yung mga rank. Hindi po basta hinugot lang yung mga rank ng kung ano mga pangalan. So, hindi po siya color, hindi po siya stones, okay? Pero siya po ay mga role-based possession. So that you will know what is the hat that you are wearing. So that when you reach a certain rank, hindi lang basta income ang lumalaki sa'yo. Alam mo rin kung ano ang business role mo. Kaya lahat yan may business role. Kasi nakaakibat yan doon sa Ascend program natin. Alright? So apart from that, we also have the Vitality products. Here is our products. This is just an overview. Sa AIF natin, papakita natin sa iyo gaano kaganda yung mga produktong yan. We have the Omega Life. Napakaganda po ng Omega Life natin. As you can see, there's a lot of fish oil supplement in the market. But here, no, I mean, for value proposition for that, most of the fish oil in the market, ang Omegas nila is 369. But the advantage of Omega Life, when you take it, it has Omega 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11. EPA, BHA, and DPA. So can you imagine that? Omega 3, 5, halos inubos na po yung add numbers. That's number one value proposition of Omega Life. Pangalawa po, yung pinanggalingan, yung source ng ating fish oil. Ang source po nito is coming from Norway. So European po to, imported from Europe. It's manufactured in Italy, but it is actually, kinuha po yung source natin, yung raw material from Norway. Saan po nakuha? Norway's Clean Fjords. Ayan po yung fjords. Ang spelling po pala ng fjords is F-J-O-R-D-S. Ano yung fjords, Nico? Yung fjords, ito po yung mga natunaw na glaciers. Yung mga glaciers, yung mga yelong, mga bloke na mga yelong malalaki, pag nag-crack po yun at natunaw, nagkikreate po yun ng parang river sa gitna. Now, yung river po sa gitna, yung tubig po doon is super nutritious, super clean, and super healthy. Super cold. Doon po hinahango at hinuhuli yung mga sashimi grades for salmon, no? Na ating pong ginagamit for our fish oil. That's the second, no? So imagine mo, hahanguin doon sa Norway, fresh, nutritious, and clean. Tapos ima-manufacture sa Italy and then i-deliver po dito sa Pilipinas. Diretso po, i-take ninyo sa mga bahay po ninyo. We are very excited about this. Alright? And before our soft launch, we are ready to actually intake and impart about this. We are very excited about this. Kaya nga ito po is pre-launch. Kasi bago po kami mag-official soft launch, nandyan na po yung mga registered product natin. Right? Next value proposition, we are the fish oil that has astaxanthin. So may kasama po siyang astaxanthin. Hindi po lahat ng fish oil may astaxanthin. Astaxanthin is a very, very powerful antioxidant. Good for the eyes, the brain, napakaganda po niyan. And last but not the least, fourth value proposition is OptiGel. We have a patented soft gel formula. Ang tawag OptiGel Delayed Release Soft Gel. Ibig sabihin, pag tinake mo yung fish oil, some other fish oils, when you take it, natutunaw kagad, so may gastric reflux. Minsan, nagiging fishy yung smell, yung pagdighay natin, medyo nalalasahan natin. But this time, ito, mas full absorption siya kasi may delayed release formula and it's patented. Yung soft gel natutunaw after 50 minutes na full absorb, so mas potent yung absorption ng katawan natin, hindi nasisira ng acid yung ating fish oil, yung quality and grade and potency of our fish oil inside the soft gel. So those are actually some of the unique value propositions of Omega Life. Kaya we're very excited by this. This is a quality product. And we also have some barley products, high-grade Australian grade barley. We have here not a typical barley, but the best barley. Alright? So nakakatuwa yung suppliers natin, they are very, very meticulous in terms of value. So we have the best barley, Australian grade barley. Now marami pong ganyan sa market. We know how healthy it is. So we want to share you also the best barley of Ascendra. And kung gusto mo naman ng hindi typical barley lang or pure barley lang, you want to have an addition to it, we have the barley fusion. So ayan, barley fusion, from the name itself, it's infused with a lot of different active ingredients. So yung napaka-healthy at napaka-high potent quality barley, hinaluan pa po natin ng fenugreek that is very good for hormonal imbalances. And after combining it with fenugreek, sinamahan pa po natin ng collagen and glutathione. So ang dami po niyang active ingredient combined with the barley, kaya ang tawag natin barley fusion. Ayan. Alright? So this is our Vitality product. This is the first batch. Marami pa pong parating initially, pero ito po yung first batch ng mga offerings natin to make you healthy. So Mastery and Vitality, that's part of our improvement packages. And of course, ito po yan, yung pangatlo, hindi po mawawala yung financial protection. So like what I said a while ago, napaka-importante nito because we are promoting financial management and entrepreneurship in the level 1 foundation of financial management. Para ma-manage mo ang pera mo, kailangan protektado ang pera. Kapag may mga unexpected na gastos, hindi dapat kinukuha out of the pocket. And that is why we are a promulgator. We promote coverage and insurance. So here in our insurance, we have a very, very credible partner under Sterling Insurance. And here we have two tiers accident coverage. Under our offering, marami pa po tayong lalabas na segment na nakapila na po. Inuna po na natin dito yung accident coverage natin, the basic AI and the premium AI. At 3,500 SRP, you are covered for 1 whole year at distributor price of 2,500 pesos only. Ang malupit, covered ka na for whole year, you are covered with 750,000 pesos accidental death, permanent disability. So covered, protektado. So ito po, ang goal natin dito is to democratize it para pangmasa po. Para abot po ng mga nasa laylayan ng masa na dapat mas kailangan ng neto. Because usually ang insurance, ang may kaya, may pera. Pero in fact, ang mga may pera, kapag may nangyaring unexpected, may panggastos sa ospital. But with us, sa atin, ginawa natin democratize para abot ng masa. And we will be having financial wellness coaching for them. Apart from covering them, we will give them financial wellness coaching. So just imagine, we have all of here, the coverage here, may accidental burial assistance, medical reimbursement, unprovoked murder and assault, may daily hospital income for maximum of 10 days. Pag hindi makapasok sa pag hindi makapasok sa trabaho at kailangan magpahinga because may reseta ng doktor to rest, magpagaling, you have a daily hospital income or daily rest income para magpag-recuperate ka. And what's amazing is we put here a teleconsult unlimited 24/7. May hotline, pwede kang tawagan. May triage nurse, tatanungin ko ano naramdaman mo. And from that, i-refer ka to a doctor para po i-check up ka at resetahan. Teleconsultation. Ang isang teleconsultation po, umaabot po yan mga kaibigan ng 500 to 600 pesos per teleconsult para maresetahan ka ng doktor at ma-diagnose, ma-check up ka. So can you imagine? Kaya minsan kahit ang sama na ng pakiramdam natin, tinitiis-tiis na lang muna. But with Ascendra, you don't need to do that because you can actually call right there and then. Basta covered ka ng 3,500, covered for 1 year. Wonderful, right? And of course, we also have the premium AI. So lahat po ng details nito, terms and condition is being handled by a partner agency and doon po ibibigay po lahat ng detalye. Okay? So palabas po natin lahat ng detalye, yung electronic certificate of insurance natin, the general exclusions. We will be having series of trainings and on-demand information dissemination for this wonderful offering. Perfect po ito sa mga may kakilalang malalaking negosyo. Kasi ang negosyo po talaga, pag negosyante at maraming empleyado, dependents, lahat ng dependents ng empleyado mo, mapa-1,000, 1,000, 100 yan, lahat yan considered as risk mo. So tendency, kapag may na-aksidente dyan or may nangyaring unexpected, ikaw na boss, sa'yo unang kakakap yan, sa'yo unang hihiram ng pera. So might as well, instead of getting money from your bulk, getting money from your business para ipahiram sa kanila, might as well transfer the risk and buy them coverages. And we will teach them financial wellness. Does that make sense? If that makes sense, give me a thumbs up. That is the MVP, Mastery, Vitality, and Protection offering of our improvement packages in Ascendra. Kasama yung mga solutions po natin. Alright, wonderful. So again mga kaibigan, yan po yung mga package natin. Ascend with us, enroll now. As you can see here, we have an 8.5 package, ang tawag associate. We have a 17.5 package, ang tawag builder. We have a 45,500 consultant, 110,500 director, and 299,800 executive package. We have 3 classifications, yung MVP po, yung MV, and yung MP. Yung MVP is a combination of mastery, vitality, and protection, while the MV is a combination of mastery and vitality, and MP is a combination of mastery and protection. So yan po yung mga options ng package. So lahat po yan yung laman natin. Value for money. Sa mastery pa lang, sulit na. Value for money na, right? And of course, what's amazing about it, if you are ready to actually improve your life with this offering, eto yan, ang maganda dyan, you are also going to get ready to actually become independent. Because like I said a while ago, yung 3 accounts, simple lang po. Ang maganda po sa 3 accounts natin, essential account, dyan po papasok yung product service rebate and direct referral bonus din po ninyo. Okay? Sa expansion account, nandun po yung triple unified recurring bonus. The unified binary, the unified unilevel, and unified override. And sa enjoyment account, nandun po yung Ascendra Lifestyle Fund. So like I said, all of the details na itong mga 3 accounts na to at paano kikita sa triple unified recurring bonus, abangan po ninyo sa June 7 kasi dun po namin i-explain in detail kung paano kikita ka sa turbo engine using your unified binary, unified unilevel, and unified override. Now, just to give you an overview of this, hindi ko na po mapahabain. I'm at the end of my presentation to every one of you. This is just an overview. Ang importanteng highlight is the mission of Ascendra. Sino ba si Ascendra International? Ano ba ang purpose and goal niya? So as you can see here, yung detail nito, mabilis pong itong explain sa June 7, yung detail ng turbo. But just to show you here, ang turbo po, simple lang. One effort, 3 different compensation plan gumagana all at the same time. Hindi na po natin bibigyan, papahirapan po ng technicalities ng marami pa pong mga iba't iba pong marketing plan. But here, isang effort lang. Actually, what you just need to focus is your essential account. Just focus on your essential account. Ang essential account po ninyo mga kaibigan is the product service rebate and direct referral bonus. Napakalaki po ng direct referral bonus, 20%. So just imagine, sa isang executive worth 199,800, 20% of that is equivalent to 40,000 pesos already. Are you following? And meron pa po tayong napakatinding promo, Kickstart promo. Okay, tanungin nyo po sa mga nag-share sa inyo ng link, tanungin nyo po sa mga founding partners. Ang tawag po natin sa mga mauuna nating kasama, mga founding partners po, kasi tayo po yung unang mga nakahanap po nito ng solution na to. So yung detalye po niyan, naganda pong i-explain na sa inyo, especially the Kickstart promo, kasi dinagdagan pa po natin yung direct referral bonus na yan on the first 3 months as we pre-launch, alright, as we soft launch Ascendra International. So ang maganda doon, basta mag-focus ka lang sa product movement, mag-focus ka lang sa package movement, because yun naman talagang gagawin natin, right? What you just need to do is to promote the products and promote the enrollment package, the improvement package. The more you promote the product, the more you promote the enrollment packages, automatic na po, habang kumikita ka ng napakalaking direct referral bonus, gumagalaw na po yung expansion account mo kasi bumabangga po yan sa unified binary, both product and package. Bumabangga rin po yung unified unilevel with the same product and enrollment package, plus kumikita ka rin sa unified override with the same sale of the same product and package. So one effort, 3 simultaneous earning happening in your triple unified recurring bonus. Kaya nga po recurring. Isang produkto, 3 beses mong napakinabangan, nakakarga na po doon yung lahat ng compensation na yan. Ang malupit, may bonus pa. Bakit? May Ascendra Lifestyle Fund. Meron po tayong isang global fund. Every month po, yung total sales ng kumpanya, yung total performance value ng product and package na ina-accumulate po, consolidated. Hindi nyo na po kailangang humataw para sa lifestyle ninyo. Sa gadget, shopping, Hindi na po kailangan humataw ng personal production po ng sarili mo at ng grupo mo para po sa shopping, sa gadget, sa travel, sa car, sa luxury car at sa property. Kasi every month may ina-allocate po ang company na lahat ng performance value, lang lahat ng product and package allocated for the enjoyment or the lifestyle fund. At hinahati po yun sa 6 na lifestyle fund. Doon po papasok yung shopping, gadget, travel, car fund, luxury car. So exciting doon, every week may leaderboards tayo. Makikita nyo, ilan na yung nakapasok. Ilan na yung unang mga nakapasok sa shopping fund. Makikita mo sa enjoyment account mo yun pag nakapasok ka doon. Ilan na yung nakapasok sa car fund. May mga certain requirements lang like position and certain requirements lang para kung sino mauuna. Pero napaka-simple lang. In fact, sa shopping fund, just to give you an idea, isang package lang, dalawang builder lang na package in 30 days. Just imagine, isang director lang na package in just 30 days, pasok ka na sa shopping fund. Tapos may mga isang produkto lang, pasok ka na. So paunahan lang siya kasi ang pondo hindi galing doon sa hinataw mo. Nakakarga na siya sa lahat ng product and package na benta ng buong kumpanya. So may leaderboards tayo weekly, makikita nyo, ilang slot na lang ang shopping, ilang slot ang travel. So as you move forward to the leaderboards, umaangat po yung mga nakukuha nyo at buwan-buwan po nangyayari yun. So habang humahataw ka sa essentials mo, nagbebenta ka ng produkto, mag-focus ka lang magbenta ng enrollment package, pati ang grupo mo, ganun ang kultura, kasabay na pong kumikita sa unified binary, unified unilevel, unified override, may income ka sa binary at unilevel, total income ng mga leaders mo, up to the 3rd, up to the 5th level, tapos may lifestyle pa. So the details of all of that will be explained this coming June 7. Ladies and gentlemen, all of those developments, computation engines are now done, computed through an actuarial computation. Talaga pong it was simulated very well by our IT developers, experts in artificial intelligence. Kaya naman po, we're very, very proud to say that we know that this company will run for a long haul at marami pong matutulungan at makikinabang, not only with our marketing plan, not only with our offerings, but with the solution that we found in Ascendra International that we are ready to share for everyone. So I hope marami pong na-excite, marami pong excited to ascend to the new era, the ultimate goal of Ascendra, mga kaibigan, as I end my presentation to every one of you, and as I expect everyone to be with us this coming June 7, and we will be giving you the announcement kung saan po yan. Mga kaibigan, as I close and before I bring back the floor to our host, Ka, mga kaibigan, as one of the persons sa mga kasama nyo po dito, like I told you, wala pong owners, wala pong may-ari, we are founders, we are your partners. Mga kaibigan, it's been a while. It's been a while na tayo po ay dinadala, parang mga ibong dinadala kung saan-saan dumadapo in the industry that we have, that we love. And this time, our mission, our goal is very simple: to grow, to expand, to level up, to improve, to be independent, to innovate. And I believe most of you here, if you're an eagle, whatever noise, struggle, ano man dinadala niyong problema ngayon, ano man dinadala niyong challenges ngayon, eagles like you guys, mga agila po kayo, ang mga agila, you are designed to actually not go inside the storm, but every one of us here are designed to fly and soar above the storm so that we can use the noise, we can use the chaos, we can use the problems and challenges for us to soar high at makarating ng mas malayo sa paroroonan natin. That's what eagles and mga agilang tulad ninyo ay ginagawa, mga leader na tulad ninyo. I believe most of you, whatever industry, organization, company you came from, all of us here have one soul, one heart. We want to grow. We want clarity. We want structure. Ayaw natin ang tsambahan. Ayaw natin ang overhype. Ayaw natin ang overpromise. What we want is true system lang na susundan. And that's what we want to happen here. And we invite each and every one na tulungan po tayo, magsama-sama po tayo magtulungan to grow here. In Ascendra, mga kaibigan, ito po ang mga kapartner natin with this solution sa tunay na pag-asenso. So once again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. This is Miko Imson at your service. Alright? We're very excited to welcome you sa ating soft opening ng ating opisina. Later, we want to have a time to show you yung perspective where the office will be sa June 7. Papakita rin natin yan. And malapit na pong magbukas yan. Kaya excited kami to welcome you there. Makamayang kayo in person, makasama kayo in person, at makasama kayo mag-grow sa Ascendra. Again, once again, thank you very much. Let me bring back the floor to our wonderful host, si Miss Kat. God bless everyone.
Yes, thank you so much, Sir Nico. Isa to sa halige ng industriya ng multi-level marketing industry. And alam ko, isa po ito sa nakapagbigay ng super big impact sa atin. Siya yung tinatawag na walking encyclopedia. Alam mo, kasi sobrang galing itong taong to. Kaya po, hindi ko na patatagalin pa. Please, help me welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Sir Jurgen Gonzalez.
It's gonna be my honor to introduce to you later ang ating Chief Strategist Officer, CSO. I'd like to, of course, commend muna si Nico, our COO, and I'd like to welcome all the people here. Grabe, overwhelming. Thank you sa support. Over 1,800 attendees tayo now. Just less than 24 hours na in-announce natin ito. And kami din overwhelmed. And I'm happy to formally introduce Ascendra International to each and every one of you. Kasama ko sa former company, kasama ko sa industriya, mga hindi natin kasama sa industriya, mga former colleagues ko, classmates ko, meron ako mga personally invited people here. Thank you for your time, your support. And I guess, ladies and gentlemen, all I can say is that we're very excited for this opportunity. More or less for the last few days, a lot of other leaders, a lot of other colleagues from different industries, kahit hindi kasama sa MLM. Alam nyo, tinatanong lagi nila ako sa unang tanong, ang lagi nilang tanong sa akin, ano ba ang compensation plan? Ano ba yung products ng Ascendra? But for a person like me, has been in the business for the last 15 years na kasi tayo, na nasa management, and another 15 years as a distributor. So 30 years of extensive experience for both management at saka distributorship. So lagi akong tinatanong for the last few days sa mga kasamahan natin, ano ba yung complan ng Ascendra? Ano ba yung products? And I always answer them, sabi ko, bro or sis, kung pag-uusapan natin ang marketing plan at saka product, wag na lang tayo mag-usap. Kasi kung yun ang aalamin mo sa akin, yan na yung normal na inaalam natin sa industriya. Pero kung ang pag-uusapan natin yung vision, yung direction, yung soul ng kumpanyang ito, then pwede tayong mag-usap. My belief, ladies and gentlemen, is that, of course, importante ang complan, heart yan ang negosyo, of course, importante ang products. But the thing is, what we offer here in Ascendra is not just the complan and the products. What we offer here is a solution. Solution to many people na di ka marunong mag-network, meron kaming solution dyan. First time ka sa networking industry pero gustong-gusto mong pumasok, pero hindi mo alam kung saan ka papasok, anong gagawin mo, hindi mo alam ang structure, system, and strategy, we are here to help you because again, katulad ng sinabi ni COO Miko Imson, we're not just an MLM company but we are a solution company. Solution because we provide solution. Yan yung pinaka-value ng Ascendra. Hindi yung marketing plan, hindi yung products because mga kaibigan, I've been in the industry, I'm not in a business to put down other marketing plan or products. Lahat yan magaganda. Lahat ng marketing plan may advantage, may disadvantage, may pros and cons. Lahat yan okay, except of course sa mga scam. But what we offer here in Ascendra, ladies and gentlemen, is the value that we can create for you. Value based on solution. Value based on the system and structure. Value based on skills. That for me, ang belief namin is that for every people, kapag kakaroon ng roadmap, blueprint, direction, step-by-step clarity, kung anong gagawin mo para magtugumpay sa industriyang to, then your chance or chances of becoming successful will get higher and higher. Ba't tataas yung chance mo para maging successful? Kasi pag naturuan ng tao kung anong gagawin niya, structured ang learning niya, meron siyang step-by-step process na pagdadaanan, then yung kanyang self-image magbabago. When we say self-image, yan yung paniniwala mo sa sarili mo, yan yung level of belief mo, yan yung paniniwala mo sa skills mo. when we are able to level up the self-image of everyone, mapa-networker ka, mapa-first time ka sa industry, mapa-estudyante ka, businessman ka, masa ka, then if we can change your self-image because of the value we can give you, yan, pwede tayong umasenso dito. And yours truly, kasama ng mga chief executives or chief, mga C-level na kasama natin dito, alam nyo, nandito kami para tulungan kayo. Nandito kami para i-guide kayo. Nandito kami para i-share sa inyo yung experience namin, for me, for the last 30 years. And ladies and gentlemen, what we can offer is just very simple. Alright? Hindi pa kami proven, wala pa kami may pagmamalaki sa industriya. We are just a startup. But ladies and gentlemen, what we can offer you is not even a promise. What we can offer you is the value na pwede namin gawin sa bawat isa. Marami sa inyo nakakakilala na sa akin. And as far as I'm concerned, ladies and gentlemen, inalagaan ko yung pangalan ko, inalagaan ko tong industriyang to. Sa mga nakasama ko sa networking, inalagaan nating mabuti itong minamahal nating industriya to such a point that we were able to really, create an image na tayo ay isa sa mga taong talagang ipinaglalaban kung ano yung tama sa industriyang ito. So for me, ladies and gentlemen, what I want to share with you is an opportunity to begin again. Kung wala kayong reason para iwan yung mga current companies nyo, a lot of leaders are telling me, join dito, join yan. Lagi kong sinasabi sa kanila, wala kang reason para mag-join dito, stay in your company, irrespective whether may previous company or yung mga kasama natin sa industry. I'm telling you, from the bottom of my heart, you have no reason. Kung wala kang reason para sumama, wag po kayong sumama. Hindi kami namimilit dito, hindi man natin kailangang magbangayan or everything. We just offer something of value. It's a new beginning, it's a new chapter. If you want to come with us, then we welcome you. Mga kaibigan, nandito po kami ngayon sa direksyon na kung saan ay gusto naming makatulong. That's it. Gusto naming magkaroon ng mahalagang value ang maraming taong sasama sa amin. So, makikilala nyo pa kami in the next coming days. Ang dami naming solutions, ang dami naming value na pwedeng i-provide sa inyo. Hindi pa kami nagpi-pre-launch. Kung meron ngang tawag sa pre-launch, bago mag-pre-launch, kami po ay pre-launch. And we're very much overwhelmed with the support that we are getting from a lot of people. Of course, meron tayong mga kaibigan, meron tayong mga kasamahan na hindi tayo maiintindihan sa ganitong yugto ng buhay natin. Marami tayong mga naririnig coming all around, from all over the place. But I respect, ladies and gentlemen, I respect the opinion of a lot of people. I respect a lot of insinuations of a lot of people. Moving forward, we just wanted to create a company that can create value, can give value to a lot of people, lalo na yung solution and long-term partnership to each and every one of you. Marami kaming pinag-uusapan ng mga members of the board of directors, and ang bottom line nito, simple lang. Kami, magiging kapartner ninyo sa pag-asenso. Again, what I can just offer, ladies and gentlemen, is a new beginning, is a new chapter. Ang hihilingin ko, kung masama kayo sa amin, hihingi lang ako ng tiwala sa inyo. And that's just it. But if you come with us, na mga nakasama ko, o makakasama ko pa lang, may mga kasama ako dito, classmate ko nung high school in Isabela, ngayon lang uli kami magkakasama because he wanted to try the business. Some of you are looking for, a good break. Some of you naghihintay ng break sa buhay ninyo. And kilalanin nyo kaming mabuti. Kalitisin nyo kaming mabuti. Kasi we are just a startup, but again, nandito kami para tulungan ang bawat isa sa inyo. Don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, to like our fan page, Ascende International sa FB. Meron din tayo sa IG, meron din tayo sa TikTok. I-follow and share ninyo. This coming June 7, we will announce our first ever big presentation. Venues to follow, or venue to follow. Meron na pa tayong nakuha. Just follow our official fan page sa FB. Makikita nyo po yan, naka-announce. But again, more importantly, gusto ko salamat sa bawat isa na nagtitiwala po sa amin. Gusto ko i-appreciate ang bawat isa sa inyo, hindi namin kayo bibiguin. Salamat sa tiwala. Again, let's appreciate everything, especially if you're coming from your former companies or whatever. Please be thankful and let's create an opportunity. Let's create an environment. Let's create a culture wherein every one of us should ascend to a new era para magkatulungan tayong pare-pareho. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege, of course, nandito na rin siya, Magkasama kami kanina, magkasama kami hanggang mamaya sa dami ng mga talks na ginagawa namin. I would like to introduce to you isa sa mga C-levels natin, isa sa mga aligi ng Ascendra who caught the vision. Nag-usap kami ng taong to a few months ago without talking about any marketing plan, any product and everything. We just had the same vision. We just had the same mission. Nagkataon lang nagkapareho kami ng gustong gawin para sa mga nakakaraming distributors. Ladies and gentlemen, without much further ado, I'd like to introduce to you our CSO or Chief Strategy Officer, ang classmate ng bayan, walang iba kundi si Mr. Joseph Lim. Ayan.
Yun, thank you so much po, sir. Kumusta po kayo lahat? Anyway, nandito lang po ako makabigla sa office. Una, salamat po ng sobra po sa mainit niyo pong pagtanggap po sa amin. Kasi actually overwhelming po na hindi po namin na-anticipate na ganito po kainit ang magiging pagtanggap po ninyo lahat sa amin. Kasi ang dami pong lumalapit sa amin from different networking companies. Actually, kanina may minute po kami coming from 2 networking company na nag-merge po yung seminar po nila kanina, and the same time, sobra po silang excited. Sa akin siguro, nasabi na rin naman nila Sir Nico, nila Sir George, ang magiging commitment po namin dito is makasama niyo po kami sa pagkuha niyo po ng mga pangarap niyo. And sabi ko nga, I'm very excited to start already in the office, na tatao po ako doon para pwede ko pong maharap, makausap po ang mga grupo po ninyo. Hindi niyo po ito gagawin na kayo-kayo lang. Gagawin po natin at i-work out po natin ang pangarap po ninyo na maraming iba't ibang tao ang tutulong sa inyo. Hindi lang po kami pong mga founder, hindi lang po kami doon, kasi marami po tayong mga i-hire ng mga iba't ibang tao para mas maging napakadali at napaka-convenient na lang po pag di-network nyo. Kung meron man po na masasabi kami, sabi nga, parang ito napakasimple, ang Ascendra, kami pong ka-partner po ninyo para sa mas mabilis na pagbabago ng buhay nyo. Kaya sa mga sumama, sobra-sobra pong salamat. Sisiguraduhin po namin na lahat po ng pinangarap ninyo na hindi nyo pa po natutupad, dito na po natin tutuparin dito po sa Ascendra. And isipin nyo, first na seminar pa lang po natin right now, umabot na po tayo ng 1,800. This coming June 7, magkakaroon po tayo sa Decagon, and sold out na po as much as possible. Ngayon na naman po yung ticket kasi nasa 700 lang po ang capacity, but umabot na po tayo ng almost mag-1,000 plus na po, and meron pa po mga ibang araw kasi lahat po kami nila Sir George ngayon po talaga umaapoy po ang lahat ng cellphones namin sa sobrang daming gustong sumali. May nag-message ka sa akin dito ngayon apply, sama po ako sa Ascendra. Sabi ko okay, sabi ko may napili ka na ba kung kanino ka mag-join? Sabi niya gusto ko po sa iyo, o di ba, yung mga ganun-ganun pa. Pero rest assured po, nag-usap din kami nila Sir George na meron lang po talaga kaming limit na account na para po lang sa amin, kasi gusto ko po pagdating po ng oras hindi nyo po kami maging kakompetisyon. Bilang mga may-ari, ang actually mas trabaho po namin dapat lahat po ng mga mag-i-inquire sa mga susunod na buwan, sa pang 3rd month, pang 4th month, pang 5th month, wala na po kaming kukunin na direct namin, ilalagay na po namin yan lahat sa mga ilalim po ninyo. Kasi sabi nga, kayo yung mga dumapa, kaya magkakaroon po kayo ng napakagagandang mga privileges sa mga unang sumabay po sa amin. Kaya sa atin, gawin lang po natin napakasimple. Lahat ng resulta na nakikita nyo sa networking industry, gawin natin ng mas mabilis. Mas mabilis, mas masaya, and maraming bang pong tumitira sa atin right now, sa lahat po ng kasamahan ko na nandito po ngayon sa Ascendra. Tandaan nyo, ang mga Ascendra, hindi po tayo dapat pumapatol sa mga ganon. Focus lang po tayo sa hataw, focus tayong promoting po natin, i-promote yung company na meron sa atin, yung ganda ng company natin, doon po tayo mag-focus. Basta dapat tayo masaya, na yumayaman, na walang inaapakan na ibang tao. Kaya ilang po muna sa akin. Thank you po sa pagmamahal, thank you po sa pagtitiwala. Isa lang po ang masasabi po namin, tulong-tulong po tayo sa pagtupad ng lahat ng pangarap po ninyo. Kaya yun lang po. Thank you!